Alright, what's up everybody? I got the FASTRA shower head, and I like it so far. It's pretty badass. But what we have here, look what I've been doing. I put a good amount of Teflon tape. I put it right there and there. I didn't get shy, and I also put it right there. But this shower head is badass, dude. Cause as you can see, it'll change colors. Look, turn on the water. Blue means that it's warm already. We'll turn it to green. Takes a minute. Boom, green. That's cold. And then we'll put it to ultra super heat. It'll go to straight to blue, and then it'll go to red. It means it's blazing hot. Heck yeah. So far, $15, best money I could buy. It's better than the other shower head I bought from Costco, to be honest with you. My son likes it, and he couldn't stop wanting to be in the shower. He loves it. Well, that's my little review or whatever you want to call it, but shower head, pretty badass. Highly recommend on Amazon. Go ahead, buy yourself one. Y'all stay up, be safe, and have a blessed day.
All right, let's review this shower head. It came with the housing to screw onto the shower rod there. All of this came with it, and I'll show you what it does here. It actually does pretty well. Let me go ahead and turn it on. Good pressure. Changes colors. And it also came with this Teflon tape that you can put around it to help better seal it. Not sure what these do. There's some little, perhaps purity balls in there or something. I don't think you change those out at all. I guess you just get a new one whenever you want to. It'll rotate through the colors. So that's green. I think we've seen red as it continues to go. Also, I think when it gets too hot, it will actually flash red, letting you know that it's hot and you might not want to get in the shower.
Here we have a shower head. It's got the filter beads inside of it. It changes colors from red to green. Red being that it's too hot. Green means it's a good color for the water. Green, cold. And there you have it.
used it probably about 20 times already. Let me go ahead and turn it on. And they also come with 2 of these. That's the cold setting. That's the medium setting. And then that's the hot setting. And you see the wire goes up through there, comes out through the top. And it's a pretty good pressure spray.
Be 85 and below.
Ooh! Alright, now turn it back up.
I'll turn it all the way on. Blue, and this will be red. And then ready?
I need it.
Ready? It's better be blue.
Magic.
And it's better be green.
Ayo.
It is a shower head. The light, LED light works good. This was easy to connect. I didn't even need any tools. There's 0 leaks. It comes with everything that you need, and it's pretty cool. I like this one. I got another one that's similar to this, but this one's actually better. There's 0 leaks. Nice LED. I like it. Pretty good.
hot and it turns red to let you know it's hot.
What you doing now?
I'm watching myself, girl.
You like the new shower, Anna?
Yeah, girl.
Why?
Because it's beautiful, girl. I like it. Close the curtain.
Okay. I'll do slowly. Oh, yay. Okay. No leaking, no leaking. I did that.